Well, hello everybody and happy Saturday. This is Lisa Freeman here from stampingwithlisa.com, and I just wanted to pop in and say hello. Hope you're having a great day. And I've got a quick and easy card for you to do today. It's this one right here. I don't know if you can see it because of the glare, because it's shiny. It's on foil sheets. Well, I embossed this on a foil sheet, and this foil pack is getting ready to retire. It's in the Spring Mini, or the January to June Mini, I guess it's called. And also this paper right here is getting ready to retire, and they're both on sale for half price. So I wanted to get this video in quick before the end of the month. I just made it this morning after I went to some yard sales. So I got up early, did that, didn't find much, but that's okay. I had fun while I was doing it, and now it's pouring down rain. We just had a thunderstorm come through. So anyway, that's my news for today. And I've got to work tonight, so that's why I'm not doing my video tonight. No special date or anything, but I have to work 3 to close, so I had to get the video done before I went to work. So let me show you what we're using, and again, I hope you can see that. Let me get my computer going and see what you guys are seeing. See if anybody's watching. We do have a few people. Hey Sharon, hey Deborah. How are you guys? Oh, you can see it. Okay, so it's like rose gold foil, and then I sanded it. So I'm going to show you how I made that and what we're using. So this is the foil pack. It is actually called the Love You Always foil pack, and you get a bunch in here, 3 different colors. Oh, you can see me in the reflection. That's so funny. You know, I always I'm doing this like in my pajamas and stuff, so. All right, so this is the piece we're using, which is like the rose gold. This is like the pink, kind of a pink shimmer. And this is a Sahara sand, I think, or like kind of champagne color. So those are the colors. I know it's hard to see because there's a reflection. So sorry about that. And you can actually see me in the reflection. All right, so that's that one. And then this one is the specialty paper, Love You Always Specialty. And these are both in that Spring Mini. And they're both on sale. This one's $7.50, the other one's $5. So you've got the same exact kind of colors, the Sahara sand one, which we're using, the kind of rose gold one, and then the pink one. So I'm not sure exactly what colors they go with, but I just used Sahara sand. Uh-oh, there went my box of stuff. Also, we're using the Magnolia 3D embossing folder, which looks like this. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm not sure why I never noticed it until now, because I think it was in the last catalog, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it was. I think it went with that Magnolia stamp set, but the Good Morning Magnolia. But I don't know. I never even bought it until a few weeks ago. So I saw it on another card, and I was like, that is so pretty. So I had to have it. And remember, when you're using the 3D embossing folders, you need this plate to go with your die cutting machine, because you're just going to put the platform, then your paper in here, and put that on top of your platform, then put this on top and run it through. And I've already done that ahead of time because I don't bring my die cutting machine in here. And then I was looking for a flower that kind of matched it, because on the inside I stamped something to go with it. So I was looking for Magnolia, which we don't have anymore, but I found this flower from the Elegantly Said stamp set that's pretty close to it. So I thought that one matched really close. So I thought that looked good on the inside. Hey Carol, hey Wendy. So I thought that was pretty, and you can see I did Wink of Stella in there splattered on it. So let's get started. I got a couple of prizes, card giveaways. So we've got the winner of this card right here is Charlene Byington. So Charlene, send me your address and I'll get you that card. And the winner of this card is Madonna Carter Jackson. So Madonna, you send me your address and I will send this to you. If you're on Facebook watching this live, I'm pretty sure my email is in the top of the page. If you're on YouTube, it's in the description box. All right, so here's the products, paper products you'll need. We've got a piece of Sahara sand, 4 1/4 by 11. A piece of Sahara sand again, 4 by 4, because I wanted to layer that on top of this right here. A piece of the rose gold foil from Love You Always. That's 3 3/4 by 3 3/4, and a Oh shoot, I forgot the white piece for the inside. Darn it. Well, I don't have any white paper. Oh, yes I do. Hold on. Hold on 1 second. Hold the phone. I do have white paper in here. Hold on, let me go get it. We're just gonna have to cut it. So you need a piece of 4x4. Let me put my microphone back on. So we need a piece of 4x4 white, whisper white or basic white. So I'll cut that. I'm glad I left my paper cutter in here the other day. Okay, so sorry, forgot that piece. All right, so I didn't put a little sticker, but this is also 4x4. So that's gonna go inside the card. So it's the same size as that one. Okay, so 4x4, 4x4, same thing, and then the other pieces. So now we're gonna get started. Take all these off. Sorry for that boo-boo. Now I went ahead, oh, you can see where I wrote on this. That's funny. All right, I went ahead and put this through the embossing folder. So now we've got that already done for you. We're gonna glue this down, and this is the one that I scored. I scored it in half at 5.5 and also scored it at 4 1/4. Just fold it in half, and then that piece is gonna go back. So this is like a fun fold card. Hey, Michelle. So when you open it, it's gonna open like that. So we're gonna be gluing this flap down. And I don't know what that is called. I think it's called like a book binding card, but I'm not positive. But I think that's what it is. So I'm gonna glue this piece down real quick, right on the edge of the front. And just hold it for a second. I think I put it upside down, but it doesn't matter. Oh, they go both ways, so it doesn't matter. All right, then for this piece, we're gonna actually sand it. So I got a sanding block. This is the old Stampin' Up! Standing block, but you can get these at the Dollar Tree in the nail section. They're just like nail file things. So they're only like $1. You can get them at Walmart, pretty much anywhere. And all you're gonna do is just really lightly sand this. So after you emboss it, just go over it with the sander. You probably could use a nail file, I don't know. But this is, I'm just very lightly touching the paper. And it'll basically take all the foil off the edges, so it leaves it kind of a white, distressed look. And then I wanted to also distress the edges of this. So I got, just use a pair of old scissors. You don't want your good scissors. So take it just here like this and run it across. It's easier with the little black ones, but I hate to mess them up. This is the old pair of cheapo scissors. You can use your fingernail if you want to. We used to have a distressing tool, but they got rid of it. Okay, so that just kind of gives you a fun look on the edges, so it's kind of looks distressed a little bit. Clean up my mess over here. And then we're going to start putting it together. So this goes down on this piece right here. So can you see how easy this is already? We have to stamp the inside, but... And I'm using my green glue for that foil piece. And just put it right on here in the middle. Oh, thank you, thank you. Hi, Linda. Thank you. All right, so we've got that down. I wanted to pop this up on dimensionals. So we're gonna put some dimensionals all over that. And these are just half of ones, but you can put more if you want. Take them off. Whoops. And you know, I always talk about those Chick-fil-A frosty lemonades. 2 of my customers brought them to me this week, so you guys are trying to fatten me up, I think. But I love them, so I'm not complaining. And I've got to go get one. I was going to get one tomorrow. I've got to go help my mother clean some more. And I was going to do it tomorrow, but then I realized Chick-fil-A is not open on Sunday, so I think I'm going to do it Monday because she's the one who really got me started on those things because they're so delicious. All right, we're going to stamp the inside of this, and I need a piece of scrap paper. So I'm just going to get my little Stamparatus pad out and put it on here. And I'm using the Sahara Sand ink pad. And I'm just going to stamp this flower a few times on the inside. So I'm going to do one like here, and then one kind of next to it in the corner, and then ink it up again and do another one. So we've got it like that. And then I want to put the words in here, and I'm using wishing you a wonderful birthday. That's in the same stamp set. I'm going to do that right at the top. Oh, a little teeny bit crooked, but that's all right. It's always okay. It's no big deal. All right, and then I want to splatter that a little bit with the Wink of Stella, but I'm going to glue it down first. And it's going to go right here on this other side. This is going to be glued down, so make sure you don't glue over that. I'm going to get this out of the way. And then I'm going to show you how I did the ribbon. The way I did it on the first card, I don't like so much, so I'm going to change it up for you guys and show you a better way to do it. All right, so that's done. Then we're going to flick some Wink of Stella. So I've got my Wink of Stella here. I'm going to grab a pen and just tap it. And can you see that beautiful splatter going on there? Beautiful. Let it dry for a minute. I got it all over my paper here. You see all that sparkle on there? Beautiful, beautiful. All right, so now we're going to do the ribbon here. And I used some linen thread, whoops, which is almost, I think I moved my camera, which is almost, oh, I really messed this camera up. Hold on, let me fix it. Okay. All right, so I've got the linen thread, the end of the linen thread, and I'm going to tape it to the inside with a piece of regular tape. I would stick it down, but I'm afraid it'll come loose. So if you use regular tape, it'll definitely stay in there better. And then I'm going to wrap it around 3 times. So 1, 2, oops, I didn't realize I had so much left. And I'm kind of overlapping it a little bit so I can crisscross it like that. And then, let me tape it down first. So I'm going to cut it. Oops. All right, and then put some tape on the other end to hold it down. I've got the fan blowing, everything's blowing off my table. All right, so then this is what the inside looks like with your ribbon. This is what the front looks like, and I'm going to just mess with this a minute and get them more spread out because I want you to see them overlap a little bit. All right, and then we're going to glue this down. So in the inside you're going to put your glue, and you want something really strong to hold it down. So put a lot of glue in there. And then just close it and let it sit for just a minute. Yeah, Michelle, it's pouring. It was pouring down rain. It just kind of stopped now, but it was torrential a little while ago. I'm just hoping it doesn't rain again before I have to go to work, because oh, actually it is still raining, but at least it's not thundering. All right, so hold that down for just a minute. And I saw another cute idea my friend Colleen showed the other day in her video. So if you only glue just these ends, so I would put some tear tape maybe, or something really, really strong just here. So like from there to there, you could actually put a gift card in here. So let's say you've got, here's like one. So if you didn't glue all the way down like I just did, and you left it open from like here to here, you could slide a gift card in there, and it would like be hanging out a little bit. But I thought that was a really cute idea. All right, so then we're going to do the bow, and I did one ahead of time, but I'm going to show you how I did it just in case. And I took about 10 inches of linen thread, and I did it 3 times because I wanted a really puffy bow. The first time I did a bow on the front, and then I didn't like it, so I did 2 more and stuck them on top, and it was kind of bulky. So you can kind of see I had the one there already, and then I did a double one and put it on top. So I don't really like how that came out so much as this is going to look better. So get 3 pieces that are 10 inches each. And this is really curly because it's the end of the roll. All right, and then you're going to tie a bow. with that end, just like you're tying your shoes, and pull it tight. And I love this. It's so dainty and like feminine looking with all these little swirlies hanging down. And then I'm gonna just put a glue dot there and let it hang. So I've got my glue dots, and I'm just gonna grab one of those and stick it right there. So I think that looks so much better. I'm gonna trim that just a little bit, but I love how it's so curly, kind of like, you know, pretty curly hair or something. Or trim it just a little. So this is a really pretty quick and easy card and does not take much effort at all. And you could whip out a bunch of these, but this paper is retiring as of a couple days from now. So today's the 26th. It's retiring on the 30th. So you've got a couple more days to get it. It's only $5 for the whole pack of this. And then this one, the specialty one, is $7.50 for the whole pack. And then you open it up and you've got wishing you a wonderful birthday. So that is it, my friends. Easy card. And I like the bow. I think the bow looks much better on this one than this one. It's kind of crooked. So we'll go with this one. Pretend this was my original one. But I hope you guys have an awesome day. Thanks for joining me. This is a quick video. I think we're only at like 15 minutes maybe. Hopefully my camera's not too crooked because I hit it a little while ago. And don't forget, we've got a new DSP special, Designer Series paper, starting on the 1st, which is what? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. On Thursday, new Designer Series paper special. Everything's going to be 15% off. Not everything, but most of them. If you want a card, make sure you send me your address so I can mail it to you. And also, if you would like to order anytime, you can always go to stampingwithlisa.com, my website. Make sure you get the G in there because there's another person that has Stampin' with Lisa without the G. Mine is Stamping with Lisa. There is the host code. Or you can just search for Lisa Freeman Stampin' Up! Anywhere on any platform pretty much, and you can find me that way. But I just want to thank you so much, and you guys have an awesome, awesome day. And I will see you probably Monday for my next video. Bye-bye.